Hey, Bruce Naylor, Frugal Tech, and today we're looking at the Neewer Bestlight 308PCS LED light for making videos. So it's for, yes, you could use it for photography. This is something I've been wanting for a long time. Not necessarily this, but a more professional light for making my videos, right? And I wanted something that will allow me to control color temperature, as well as be able to turn the brightness up and down via remote. And this fits the bill. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It does come with the remote. See what it says on the back of the box. 308 LED bulb panels, lithium ion or DC powered, wireless 333 megahertz grouping system, 6 groups of 16 channels, wirelessly adjust brightness and color temperature, exactly what I was looking for. Includes a remote control, portable handle, and a mini stand. Large size LCD panel, settings are auto saved, quickly change panel angle. Fits almost any camera and camcorders. Fits on a hot shoe. I think it's going to be really too heavy, in my opinion, to put on camera, but you never know. I'm going to use it with a light stand. Let's go ahead and open the box up. See what's included. First thing comes out, it's the remote. All right, runs on AAA batteries. We'll set that up in a minute. Let's pull all this out. Your normal paperwork. Who needs that? We got some gels to put on the front. Blue. Got a nice red. Probably never going to use these. See if there's anything else in here. Got the light panel itself. It's got some heft to it. It's already got a gel already installed. See that? There we go. Let's pull this out. Now you can see there's the 308 different LEDs. Some appear to be a little bit warmer LEDs or cooler. I don't know. Not really an expert on the LED panels, but there you have it. That gel just slides right in and out. On the back, we have an adapter for your DC charge, 6.5 to 12 volt. Got a dial here, on and off switch. And then this is to change the channels when you're grouping these lights together. It's got some heft to it. There's the mount on the bottom. Put it on your camera. And then you can adjust it here and here as well. This, to the best of my knowledge, is not removable. All right, anything else in the box? Little stand. That way you can just place it in here, tighten it down, and it'll sit on your desk. Again, I'm going to put this on a light stand. Tell you what, these people that's got these light storm LEDs and the aperture, totally jelly over those. They're a heck of a lot of money. This was under 70 bucks. And then you got a handle. You just screw that in. Now you can hand hold this thing. There you go. Hand hold it. Take that back off. Now, what doesn't come with this bad boy? Batteries or the charger. You got to buy that separately. And this is the NPF Sony battery. This is the 970. I got a couple of these Wasabis off of Amazon. I think they were like 39 bucks for these. And I went ahead and got this one charged up. So we're going to go ahead and drop it in here. Should just click into place. Now, let's turn it on. I'm going to hold that in front of the camera. Ooh, that is bright. That is a bright light. Right there on the back, we can see. Right now it's on channel 8. We can turn down the brightness, and it goes down to 25%. You got to change. There's a couple of them that you settings if you do it will take it down to 10%. For the most part, most of them are going to be that 25 to 100%. You would not want to have this really in front of you if you're, you know, directly in front of you, because it will, it'll hurt. It will blind you. But there you have it. Now, let me figure out how we change the light temperature on here. That's your thing. So that's not going to work. That just turns your brightness up and down. So apparently we're going to need the remote. All right. To change your color temperature, you just press on this button right here. That's going to flash. And you can take it up all the way up to 5600K. Tap it again. There you go. Now notice now I can turn it down to 10%. So in that setting, I can do that. Let's tap it again. Change it to say 4800K, set. Minimum is 25. So it just depends on the setting that you're going to use as to whether or not you can dim it down to 10% or not. Pretty simple. Boom. So I'd keep it around about 4800, 25%. And it just gets brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter. Really a bright, bright light. Pretty impressed with this. Well, we just turn it off. So no power supply. You can adjust the color temperature from 3300 Kelvin to 5600 plus or minus 300K. Brightness, Lux 860. Compatible battery, you need to have the Sony NPF batteries, the NPF 970s. This is actually a 960, but that'll work just fine. You can group these on 16 different channels, 6 groups. You can get an optional charger to plug into it. Might be something else in the box, I'm not sure. Nope, that's it. Got a link to this on Amazon, an affiliate link down below if you're interested. Right now they're out of stock on these. I think this is going to do a great job. I'm already using the Neewer CN160 LEDs. Pretty happy with those. This is going to make things even better. Once you put that back, you wouldn't. I just don't think you'd want this mounted on your hot shoe on your camera. Maybe you would, but that's a lot of weight and a lot of stress on that. I just don't think that would be a real good idea, especially when you put this big honking battery in there, right? You're gonna get a hernia on this thing. Just even get it out of there. But there you have it. This is the Neewer 308 PCS LED light. Seems pretty solidly built. Wish they would have included a charger with it. Come on. Well, how much more would that cost? Seriously, why cheap out? Why not just provide somebody with at least a wall wart, right? And we can start using it right away without having to get those batteries. A lot of times, I think a lot of YouTubers are going to set this in place on a light stand. You're going to plug it into a wall rather than messing around with these batteries. But it's also a portable system as well. There's a kit on Amazon. You get 2 of these lights, couple stands, couple remotes, etc. I think it's around 110 bucks. I think I'm gonna like it. I think it's gonna come in really handy for making my videos here on YouTube. So I'm pretty excited about getting this all set up and going. But I want to share it with you. Seems to be fairly quality made item. I wish this was a little bit different setup. Just maybe one mount instead of the 2. But that is what it is. But I think for the price, if you're looking to get into video lighting and do it on a budget, then I think this is going to be really, really good choice. Check it out. The Neewer Bestlight 308 PCS LED light. Bruce Naylor, thanks for watching.